Hi students. Okay students, what we discussed in our previous class. What is the topic? Okay, we discussed in our previous class sun and solar system. Is it right? I am revising now about sun and solar system. Sun is the main star in the solar system, and it is very nearest star to Earth. Okay, and sun also rotating on its own axis, but it is not moving, not revolving. Okay, and remaining 8 planets are there. They are rotating their own self on its own axis, and in the same way they are revolving around the sun. Is it clear? Yes. And what we discussed, and each and some planets have moons. Okay, and these moons also rotating, revolving around the planets. Okay, and what are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets, and we discussed about them, and how many days they take revolve around the sun also we discussed. Is it clear? Yes. Now, and did you listen this class, and did you complete the homework? I given to you assignment. Did you complete it? I think everybody complete, and everyone listen carefully, or 1 or 2 or 3 times you have to listen if you not understood, and after you have to complete your assignment or homework. Okay. Yes. In this class we are going to discuss rotation. Okay, rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. Already we discussed these 2 words in our previous class, rotation and revolution. So now in this class we are discussing about rotation and revolution. Already we discussed in our previous class about solar system. Is it right? So sun is there, sun also rotates on its own axis. Around the sun 8 planets are revolving, and they are also rotating their own self. Okay, and they have planets. So this is total called solar system we discussed. And in this topic we are discussing about rotation. First of all, we are discussing about rotation. Before going to discuss rotation and revolution, one example is there. What is that example? Top. What is that? Top. Do you know top? Yes. This much size is there, and we are taking one thread and we are spinning around the top, and we are holding like this, and just we are throwing and dragging like this thread. Then it is rotating. Do you know top? Have you played with the top? Have you played with top anytime? Yes. How it is rotating? How it is revolving? When you drag thread of top, it is rotating on its axis. See how is the top? Like this is there. Is it right? And it has one needle downside. Okay. It is rotating. It is rotating, and it spins. Okay. It spins on its own axis. Axis means it's like this. Is there? One point is there down. So according to the point wise basis on the point wise, it is rotating on itself, oneself, on its axis. This line is called axis line. Okay, from this middle point, it is rotating, it is spinning, it spins. Is it clear? And in the same way, it is revolving on the floor like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Is it clear or not? Do you see anytime? Have you played with the top? Yes. So here what is there? Rotating, rotate and revolve. Both are happening. Revolve. These two things are happening in the spinning top. Spinning top. Okay. In the same way, in our solar system also, these rotations and revolutions are happening. Is it clear? Yes. A top spins on its own axis. Already we discussed that one. And it moves around the floor also. It moves around the floor. Is it clear? Yes. Exactly. Our planets. Means in the solar system 8 planets are there, no? So these 8 planets also rotating and revolving. Rotating on their own axis and revolving around the sun. But here one difference is there. Difference. What is the difference between top and planets? Top is revolving. Top is rotating on its own axis. Like this is the top. Is it clear? So on its own axis it is rotating. In the same way planets also rotating on their own axis. It's okay. But top is revolving on the floor zigzagly like this. There is no specific way. There is no particular path. Is it clear? But their planets are not revolving like that. They have a specific path like this. Always they are revolving in the same way. That is the difference between spinning top and rotating planets or revolving planets. Clear? Yes. Okay. Yes. Spinning top is moving all sides on the floor, but planets are revolving around the sun in the same way, in one way. Why they are not changing their way? Why they are not revolving, moving around the sun zigzag like this? Why they are not moving? What will happen if they change their direction or if they change their path? What is that? Path or way. If they change their path or way, what will happen? When they change their way or path, they will collide or they will beat or they will get accident or they will beat one to each other. Then what will happen? Planets will damage. They will smash. Is it clear? That is why they are moving around, they are revolving around the sun in one path. That is the difference between spinning top and revolving planets. Clear? Yes. Now we are going to discuss rotation. What is rotation? Okay. What will happen in the rotation? First of all, what is a rotation? Rotation. What is a rotation? First of all, we have to see that rotation means the spinning movement. The spinning movement of the planet. The spinning movement of the planet on its own axis, on its own axis, is called rotation. Is called rotation. Clear? before going to discuss about rotation revolution, first what is rotation? What is rotation? The spinning movement of the planet on its own axis. Suppose if you take one Earth, this is the planet. Otherwise, see, here we have globe. Here we have globe. Do you know what is this? Globe. This is the model of the Earth. Globe is the model of the Earth. So we are all living on the Earth, no? So our Earth also look like this. So what is the color of the Earth? Blue color. This is the blue. That is why we are calling blue planet. So 71% of land is covered with the water. That is why blue planet. So our Earth is rotating on its own axis like this. Is it rotating or not like this? So on which point onwards it is rotating? If you observe, means here one point is there, midpoint. Here also one midpoint is there. So this is called axis. This is called axis. Are you seeing here? Okay. So on its own axis, it is rotating. This is called rotating. This is called rotating. Is it rotating or not now? Yes. See, the spinning movement of the planet on its own axis is called rotation. This is called rotation. On its own axis, it is rotating itself. This is called rotation. Clear? Yes. Next. So an axis is here we are saying here axis. Axis means midline. Midline. Here one planet is there. So this planet is rotating on its own axis. Like this is there. Okay. This axis point is an imagine. It is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line. Just imaginary line only. Imaginary line only. Okay. Okay. It is an imaginary line. And the two ends for this imaginary line, two end points are there. Here one is there, here one is there. See, on the globe also we are seeing this is imaginary line. On this point it is rotating. Is it right? Here is there one point, ending point. So on this imaginary line, two end points are there. Here also one is there. Are you seeing here? This is and this is. These two are the ending points of the axis. Ending point of the axis like this. So these two end points are called poles. What we are calling them? Poles. Poles. Okay. So these two poles are called. One is this is North Pole. This is North Pole, and this is South Pole. South Pole. We discussed in the direction topic. North, South, East, West are the directions. So these two end points shows to us South Pole and the North Pole. Clear? Understood everyone? Yes. And this imaginary line, this axis, if you see especially in the Earth, if you see in the Earth, it is now how is there this axis line straight is there, exactly straight is there. But if you see this axis line or imaginary line in the Earth, it is tilted. It is tilted. Means slightly bending is there. Some bend is there. It is not like straight line. Some cross line is there. Cross is there. That axis point in the Earth. See, generally here this is globe set, no? Yes. See how is that one? Some cross is there. See, is there or not cross? Okay. So this is called tilted. It has tilted. It has a tilt. It means cross is there. Now it is not exact. It is exact. See, how is there this one? some cross is there. See, actually it is the straight. See, with pole point is here. So it is now I am putting like this. See, base also up. I lift up. Okay. Now it is the correct point, axis correct straight point. But is it there like that? No. It is some tilt is there. Cross is there. Like this is there. If you observe this, like this is there. Okay. So why it is happening is while it is rotating on its own axis, it happens like this, like that. Okay. Some cross is there. So this is called rotation. Okay. And what happens in this rotation? Now Earth is rotating on its own axis. Is it clear? Not only Earth, all planets are rotating on its own axis. But especially we are all living on the Earth. So what happens? What will happen on the Earth? When Earth is rotating on its own axis, what will happen? Do you know about that? Yes, see, what happened? We are getting day and night. We are getting day and night times. Is it clear? Now what is the situation now? What is that now? Now we are all living. Now we are in the daytime. Now we are in the daytime. And after that, after completing the day, what will happen? Night is coming. Night situation. Night time is happening. And night time is coming. So this day and nights happens with this rotation. With this rotation. Clear? How this day and nights are happening? Are you listening? Are you understanding? How this day and nights are happening on the Earth? Do you know about that? Okay. Let me discuss with one example. What is the main in the solar system? Sun is the main source. So sun is giving to us light. Is it right? Sun is giving to us light. Already we know that. Okay? With the help of reaction between helium and hydrogen gas, light is producing from the sun. Okay? Around the sun, this light is producing continuously. That is why we are getting lighting during daytime. After completing the daytime, we are getting night time. But why we are not getting lighting at the night time? What is the reason? Means through this rotation of the Earth. That is why we are getting day and night time with the help of rotation. But how it is happening? How we are getting daytime? How we are getting night time? So here I am showing to you with one experiment how we are getting day and night. Day and night. For example, I closed all lights. Now some dark is there. Is it clear? See, this is the model of the Earth. This is the model of the Earth. Okay. And you have take one torchlight also. Here you consider this torchlight is a sun. This torchlight is a sun. Is it clear? So I taken a torchlight and here globe is there. You think this is sun and you think this is Earth. Is it clear? Now this is the sun. No, it is the middle of the solar system. Sun is middle of the solar system. Okay. Now see here Earth is there. It is rotating on its own axis. Is it clear? It is rotating on its own axis. Clear? Now sun rays are falling on the Earth. Are you observing? See here lighting is there. See here clearly you are seeing here. Here lighting is there. Clear? Now what happens if we observe which part of the Earth, which portion of the Earth towards the sun, facing the sun, that area is getting daytime. Now your lighting is falling on the Earth, on this area. So this is total content daytime. This total area has now daytime. So it is automatically rotating, no? So what is happening? Which portion of the Earth is facing the sun side, that is getting day. Which portion of the earth going backside or opposite of the sun face, that is getting slowly darkness. See here lighting is falling, that is why daytime is there. Backside, is there lighting? Any lighting? Is there any lighting here? No. Dark is there. That is why here night time. Here daytime. Like this we are getting day and nights. Day and nights. Understood everyone? Yes. Like this we are all getting day and nights on the earth. So that is why what we are getting through this day and nights, we are getting we are getting day and nights. So through this day and night, daytime we are doing work, night time we are sleeping. Okay, yes, but how many hours it will take? It is rotating on its own axis, we discussed already. Okay, it is rotating on its own axis. Is it clear? We discussed. But how many hours it will rotate? How many hours will take to complete one rotation? That means it will complete 24 hours. 24 hours. That is why our time also calculated by this rotation of the earth. How many hours are there in one day? 24 hours. So in one day 24 hours are there. Within this 24 hours, earth completes one rotation on its own axis. On its own axis. That is why through this rotation we are getting day and night time. Already with practical, with one example I showed to you clearly. Okay? Yes. This is about rotation. Understood everyone? Have any doubts? Yes. This is about rotation. And another one is revolution. What is that? Revolution. Here sun is there. This is sun. Around this sun, all planets are revolving like this. All planets are revolving like this. Okay? So like this. So our Earth is the third planet in the solar system from the sun. Here is our Earth. Is it right? Mercury, Venus, Earth. This is the Earth. Now we are discussing about revolution. What is a revolution? What is a revolution? See here, the movement of the movement of a planet in an elliptical orbit or in an orbit, in an elliptical orbit around the sun, around the sun is called revolution. Got it? What is revolution? The movement of a planet. This is Earth. This is an Earth. So it has movement. What is the movement? Two movements are there. One is rotation movement, another one is revolution movement. Already we discussed about rotation. It is rotate on its own axis. It has tilted axis. Okay. So to complete one rotation, it will take 24 hours time. Now in the same way, it is revolving around the sun also. It is rotating on its own axis. In the same way, it is revolving around the sun also. in one path or in one way. That only we are discussing. The movement of a planet an elliptical orbit. Elliptical means it's some bending, like egg shape is there. This is round shapes. Elliptical means oval shape, like this is there. Understood everyone? That is elliptical. Orbit. It is movement, that the movement of a planet in an elliptical orbit around the sun is called the revolution. Around the sun is called the revolution. Understood everyone? Yes. But for this revolution, to complete one revolution, to complete one rotation, how many hours it will take? 24 hours. Already we discussed this one. For one rotation, it will take 24 hours. But to complete one revolution, how many days it will take? Earth started here. This is a starting point. It start revolution here. So it is revolving around the sun like this, and again it will complete. It is reaching to here. So it is completing one revolution around the sun. So to complete one revolution, how many days it will take? To complete one revolution, it will take 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hours. So Earth is completing one revolution. It is taking 365 days and 6 hours time. Then only it will complete one revolution. Got it? Revolution means it is moving around the sun. So for completing one movement like this, Earth will take 365 days and 6 hours time. So after 4 years, 1 year 6 hours, and second year 6 hours, third year 6 hours, fourth year also 6 hours. So these 6 hours into 4 years. So how much is coming? 6 4 is 24. Means 24 hours means 1 day. So here one day is adding 366 days are there in leap year. In leap year. Gratitude. To complete for one revolution, Earth will take 365 days, 6 hours. Okay. Generally we are saying 365 days same, but we are not saying 6 hours, but 6 hours also is there. In the same way, in 1 year 6 hours are there, second year 6 hours, third year 6 hours, fourth year 6 hours are there. So like this, if you calculate 6 into 4 years, so 6 hours 4 years, 6 4s are 24 hours are coming here. This 24 hours means 1 day. In 1 day 24 hours are there. So this 1 day is adding in the 4th year. So we are saying that one, that is leap year. This 1 day in which month it is adding? We are adding this extra 1 day in the February month. So in the leap year, if we see in the February month, 29 days are there. How many days are there? 29 days are there. This is about revolution. This is about revolution. Understood everyone? What is rotation? What is revolution? Okay. Now I am going to give assignment or homework. Do you understand? Yes. Now this is homework or assignment for you. What is that? What is rotation? What is rotation? Already we discussed about rotation. And in the same way, what is revolution? And this one also we discussed. Okay. Each planet spins like a top on its dash. And another one is the two end points. The two end points of the axis are called the dash. This is homework for you. After listening the class, listen carefully. After that, you have to complete these question answers. You have to write. Okay. And in our next class, we will discuss about weather and seasons. Is it clear? Thank you all.